I will demonstrate you how you can use set in Java. So what is set? So a set is an interface in Java. Think of it as a blueprint or a contract. It defines a general types for different kinds of sets like the tree sets, link hash set, and hash set. It acts as a placeholder for this specific set implementation. And one of the most important things about a set is it does not allow any duplicate elements. So each element in a set must be unique. So to write set, we type set angle bracket and identify what data type. So we're gonna use a string and name our variable. So we're gonna use fruits for demonstration equal new hash set, then angle bracket and import your sets. To add values to our set, we call the fruits variable that add. So our first value, orange. Let's copy, paste. For our second, how about apple? And for our third, we have banana. To display the values, we type sys out. I'm holding control in space, enter. So that's how you write system.out.println in a shortcut way. So our variable fruits and run our program. So what hashset does is it doesn't guarantee or organize our value. So for here we have orange, apple, and banana, but it displays apple, orange, and banana. So what about link hashset? Oops. So what link hashset does is it organize our values in a input type way. So if we have orange, apple, and banana, the display should also be orange, apple, and banana. So how about reset and import? Oops, why it's not importing? There you go. So what reset does is it organize our values in a alphabetical way. So if we have orange, apple, and banana, the display should be apple, banana, and orange. So there you go. So what if we add another fruit called apple? So this one. So remember that having a set or the sets like the tree set, link set, or the hash set, it doesn't input a duplicate value. So what do you think will happen? Let's run our code. If you think that our code will run an error, you're wrong. It will not accept the duplicate value but will display the apple, banana, and orange. So that's how you use sets in Java.